Breaking: tinnitus wipes 1% of your memories every month. Far from being a harmless nuisance, tinnitus has been linked to memory loss, hearing loss, and dementia. But did you know it actually physically wipes 1% of your memories every month, attacking the brain in the most violent way? Forcing it to endure that constant ringing leads to the widespread death of your neurons, most of which are located in key areas of your brain, such as your hippocampus. That's the part of your brain that's tasked with forming and storing episodic memories. Without it, you will be unable to create new memories with your family or friends.